This is one of Cassidy's favorite toys, and we only play with it on the couch, so she has to sit on our lap. Where's the horn, Cass? Where's the horn? Press the horn. Press the horn. That's the xylophone. That's the xylophone. Hi, Happy. Drum. There's the horn. There's the horn. Where's the violin? Where's the violin? That's the horn. That's the remote. Where's the violin? That's the violin. Press it. Press it. That's the violin. That's the violin. Where's the drum? That's the drum. Very good. And that's the horn. That's the drum. That's the violin. Do you know where the xylophone is? Where's the xylophone? Oh, I'm showing it to you. That's the horn. Oops, wait, that's the drums. Okay, don't depend on me for orchestra lessons. Push his belly. Show us what happens when you push his belly. Or not. Here. Here. Look. Puts all the instruments together. She sees the remote. Ah! You can't have the remote.